Hello dear students, welcome to today's class. In the today's class we are going to discuss about the continuation part of the methods of preparations of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So we have gone through with the one methods of preparation, that is from alcohol. In that some sub methods of preparations from the alcohol, that is by the action of HX, in that one Gruss process, Darzin's process by the action of thionyl chloride, and the third one is by the action of phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride with the alcohol. In the today's class we are going to discuss about the second class, that is from halogen exchange method. The name itself suggests that halogen has to be exchanged with some other reagent. So both the reagent must contain halogens commonly. So here among them we are having the two named reaction. The first one is Finkelstein's reaction, that is only meant for the preparation of alkyl iodides, and second one is Schwarz reaction, which is meant for the preparation of alkyl fluoride. So let us go with the number one, that is Finkelstein's reaction. So this is a very important reactions for the PU board examination. It has been asked many times in the examination, nearly 5 to 6 times it has been asked in the examination. So Finkelstein's reaction is for the preparation of alkyl iodide. In this reaction, we need to take the starting material, that is alkyl halide, such as alkyl chloride or bromide. When alkyl halide such as chloride or bromide is heated with the sodium iodide solvent in the presence of dry acetone catalyst, which will undergo formation of an alkyl iodide, the reaction is known as Finkelstein's reaction. See here, when an alkyl halide such as alkyl X may be chloride or a bromide. Here the alkyl halide is heated with the sodium iodide chemical, that is NaI, which is added with a small amount of dry acetone. See here the alkyl halide, any alkyl halide you can take, specifically chloride or a bromide. So alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide reacts with the sodium iodide. In the presence of dry acetone, the halogen exchange takes place. See here, as the name itself suggests that halogen exchange. Here is also halogen, here is also, we are having a iodine as a halogen. Iodine will come here substituted by the X, and X will substitute the iodine. So you get here, the iodine will come here and the X will go here. So we will get alkyl iodide plus NaX. See here, when the alkyl halide such as chloride or bromide is heated with the sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, formation of alkyl iodide takes place. This alkyl iodide may be methyl iodide, ethyl iodide, propyl iodide, any alkyl iodide. The name of the reaction is known as Finkelstein's reaction. Suppose if I have taken the example of methyl chloride, which is heated with the sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. So this is the first example I have taken, where the chlorine replaces the iodine and iodine replaces the chlorine. So I am getting CH3I plus NaCl as a byproduct, and this is methyl iodide. Or we can say that iodomethane. Methyl iodide is common name, iodomethane is a UPSC name. So if I have taken an ethyl iodide, ethyl bromide reacts with the sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. Say I am getting here CH3 CH2I plus NaBr. So in this way you can prepare any iodoalkane. If you have taken a propyl iodide, propyl bromide, iodopropane, butyl iodide, butyl bromide, iodobutane. So in this way any that is iodoalkanes or alkyl iodide you can prepare by the Finkelstein's reaction. So this is the one of the halogen exchange method reaction, that is Finkelstein's reaction. Next we will go with the second reaction, that is Schwarz reaction. Schwarz is also the name of the scientist. So this is also involved in the halogen exchange method. So here I need to take same chemical starting material, that is alkyl halide. That alkyl halide may be chloride or a bromide, reacts with any metal fluoride. When alkyl halide reacts with any metal fluorides such as I can take silver fluoride, I can take cobalt fluoride or cobalt fluoride, antimony fluoride. You can take any metal fluoride. So in our NCERT textbook they have taken silver fluoride. Just heat it. When alkyl halide is heated with the silver fluoride, after mixing with each other, after heating, naturally the halo group of the alkyl iodide replaces the fluorine. Okay, and the fluorine replaces the halogen. Halogen exchange takes place. X will come this side, fluorine will attach us to the alkyl part. So we are getting alkyl fluoride plus AgX. So this is fluoroalkane or alkyl fluoride. So remember, this is our part 6th class. Okay, so in the 6th class we are going to discuss about the halogen exchange. Here Finkelstein's reaction and Schwarz reaction, these are the two main reactions of halogen exchange method. Here I can prepare iodoalkane and here I can prepare fluoroalkane. This is only meant for the preparation of fluoroalkanes. Fluoroalkanes or alkyl fluorides. For example, I will rub this Wilkinson reactions. I hope you understood the Wilkinson's reaction. I will take the example. If I have taken here R is equals to CH3, methyl bromide I will take. Methyl bromide when reacts with silver fluoride. When it reacts with the silver fluoride, after heating, it undergoes halogen exchange. That is, fluorine comes on the alkyl part side and bromine replaces the fluorine. I am getting here CH3F plus AgBr. In one of the year PU board examination, in one of the year, it has been asked that CH3Br AgF, this reaction they have given, and they had asked to write the name of the reaction. Once again, remember, this reaction has been given in one of the year for 1 marks, and he had asked to write the name of the reaction. So by looking the alkyl bromide, silver fluoride and halogen exchange product, that is fluoroalkane, you have to understand that this reaction name is Schwarz reaction. Methyl bromide reacts with the metal fluoride, that is silver fluoride, undergoes halogen exchange to form fluoromethane. If you take the ethyl bromide, fluoroethane. If you take butyl chloride, chlorobutane. So this is about the halogen exchange method. In this way we can prepare from Finkelstein's reaction iodoalkanes and from Schwarz reaction fluoroalkanes.